I think pliang is like a man if we say in Jawai, you know, you eat from the same plate, and when you are enough, and then you throw on the same plate. In Jawai we carry baam na kajuk the pliang, aj kajuk the pliang. So most of these candidates are like that. They were with us, you know, and then they enjoyed all the works, all the benefits from the Congress. The Congress is only a platform, but once it's at a certain level, and then they try to destroy their own image. So whatever he said, I think it reflects his own reputation. I think the UDP themselves, I think now many of them are supporting me. So I don't want to say much because the leaders of the UDP may say whatever they say. The leaders of the BJP or NPP may say whatever they say. But the supporters, the citizens of this state now realize that Congress is the best. So they may say whatever they say because, most of our leaders also, we don't have an ethics, we don't have that sense of responsibility. They might say whatever they say, but the voters will be with me this time. Voters will be with the Congress. Thank you.